So Fent and I have decided to come outside and get a wee bit of fresh air, go and get a wee walk, and thought I've not checked my daffodils for a wee while, so here we are. These daffodils were planted as bulbs last October. I bought them a bag of about 500 mixed varieties, but I've just spotted that they're all the same. They're all very attractive, right enough, but they're singles with bright yellow petals and lovely, quite startling orange and contrast centres. Very nice. But anyway, they were meant to be doubles and singles, whites and yellows, but I'm not complaining. They're still very attractive. Okay, these bulbs, these daffodils were planted last October, and for one reason or another I only got about half of them done, but I managed to get myself organised to get the other half done later on, and it was actually the 26th of December, Boxing Day. I remember it quite clearly for the fact it was Boxing Day, that we came outside and we planted up the rest of them. And these are some of them here. And these ones are slightly different, I've just spotted. So I take back what I've said. There are two different varieties there. These ones were planted at the end of December, and they're every bit as developed and flowering as the ones further back. What this demonstrates, however, is that as much as we're advised to plant our bulbs, our spring flowering bulbs in autumn time, which is sensible and which we should all try and do, if you do come across a bag of bulbs at Christmas time or even early into the new year, don't just keep them in the bag in the hut, get them into the ground. There's a chance that they will flower like these ones have, and definitely they'll come up the following year far more successfully than they will do if you keep them in a damp hut for another 9 months before you plant them. I'm looking forward to these ones all flowering.